Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine at home. Today we will learn the topic modes of reproduction, which is under class 8 subject biology. Chapter's name is Reproduction in Animals. Students, we have already started this chapter in our previous online class. In that class, I have already taught you about this topic. But many students I found that they were absent in the online class, maybe due to any reason. So, especially for them, I am making this video. Not only that, those who have already attended the online class, you should also go through the video so that you can recall the things. And if you have missed out any point that day, then you go through this video and you can note down that point. So, let us start. Students, what do you mean by reproduction? Reproduction means producing young ones of one's own kind. So, today we will learn about modes of reproduction. All the ways in which living organisms reproduce their young ones can be divided into the following two modes. So the ways by which living organisms can reproduce their young ones of their own kind can be divided into two modes. What are they? First one is sexual reproduction and the next one is asexual reproduction. So first we will learn about sexual reproduction. For sexual reproduction, both the parents, that is the male and female, are needed to reproduce individuals of the same kind. So in case of sexual reproduction, both the parents, that is the male and the female partner, both are required to reproduce individuals of the same kind. Fish, frog, higher animals such as cow, dog, horse and human beings reproduce by the mode of sexual reproduction. So, organisms like fish, frog and higher animals like cow, dog, horse and with the human beings reproduce by sexual mode of reproduction. Next we will learn about asexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, a single organism is able to reproduce one or more of its kind by itself. In case of asexual reproduction, a single organism is able to reproduce one or more of its kind by itself. Asexual reproduction does not require both male and female. So in case of asexual reproduction, both male and female are not required. In this case, a single organism can reproduce its young ones of its own kind. So this is the major difference between sexual and asexual reproduction. Organisms like amoeba, yeast, spirogyra reproduce by the mode of asexual reproduction. So organisms like amoeba, yeast, spirogyra, they reproduce by the mode of asexual reproduction. Now students, something about sexual reproduction I want to tell you. most animals reproduce by sexual method. Most animals, they might be unicellular or multicellular. So most animals reproduce by sexual method. In sexual reproduction, each parent produces one reproductive cell called gamete. In case of sexual reproduction, each parent, that is the male and the female individually, they produce one reproductive cell each called gamete. The male produces the sperm. So the male gamete is known as the sperm, and the female produces the egg or ovum, and the female partner produces the gamete, which is known as egg or ovum. Such organisms are called unisexual. Such organisms are called unisexual. Next, some organisms like earthworm, leech, hydra have both the male and female sex organs present in the same body. So some organisms like earthworm, leech, hydra, they have both the male and the female sex organs present in the same body. Those organisms are known as bisexual organisms or hermaphrodites. So those organisms are known as bisexual organisms or hermaphrodites. So students, this is all about today's topic, that is an introduction to modes of reproduction. Now as we will progress in this chapter, we will learn in detail about sexual reproduction in animals. So we will again meet in our next online class or video. I hope all of you have understood today's topic properly. So study properly at home, take care of yourselves and keep watching the videos.